Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll guide you through every fascinating step of how robotic arms are built, from raw materials to precision machines ready to power the future. Scanning this batch now.
Got a match on the cert.
Moving to the next pallet.
Same.
All clear here. Good to proceed. This stack is verified. Feed rate holding steady at 1200. Watch the depth variance. Copy that. Spindle RPM is climbing to 4600 now. Good. Monitor for tool wear. Flag any spikes. Will do. Cutting force is stable at 850 newtons. Excellent. Let's log this cycle. Okay, motor's in, gearbox next.
Here, this one aligns with the spline.
Got it. Tightening now.
Perfect. Next joint?
Yeah, harmonic drive is ready. Automation ensures extreme precision at every step. All right, feeding it through now. Keep it steady. Copy that. Channel's clear. Good. Watch the bend here. It's great work. Looks aligned. Pulling the slack. All right, connecting the diagnostic cable now.
Good. The port is active.
Upload initiated. Monitoring progress. Software brings intelligence, let's run the diagnos. Moving this stack to shipping now. Clear on the left, proceeding to deposit. Stack secured, heading back for the next one. And that's how robotic arms are built, powering industries around the world. And that's how robotic arms are built, from start to finish.